Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rahul, and today's topic of our discussion is sleep. So, first of all, we will see the definition of sleep. So, what is sleep? Sleep is the temporary state of unconsciousness from which the subject can be aroused by a proper sensory stimulus. So, this is the definition of sleep. So, as we all know, one third of our human life is spent in sleep. So, suppose if there are 24 hours in a day, so we normally sleep 6 to 8 hours a day. So, it's about one third of our daily routine we spend in sleep. So, when we talk about our whole age or lifespan, so one third of it is spent in sleep. It is as easy. So, why is sleep essential? Why do we sleep? Normal question and the very easy answer and very convenient answer is sleep is essential for normal growth and development of the body. So various functions takes place when we sleep, such as hormones. Some hormones are peaked when we sleep. So various other functions also work when we sleep, such as the growth of the body, the growing of hairs, metabolism of various compounds occurs in the body when we sleep. So what is sleep cycle? So sleep cycle is a cycle which repeats itself when we sleep. So one sleep cycle is of about the 90 minutes. So these 90 minutes repeat about 4 times to complete the sleep or normal sleep. So next we will see it's a classification of sleep. So there are mainly two phases of sleep. The more convenient word than classification here we can use is a phases of sleep. More convenient classification we can say it as a phases of sleep. So there are two phases of sleep mainly, REM sleep and NREM sleep. So what is REM sleep? REM sleep is rapid eye movement sleep, the sleep during which the rapid eye movement occurs. And another phase is NREM sleep, non-rapid eye movement. So REM sleep is also called as paradoxical sleep. So why it is said as paradoxical sleep, I will explain further in the video. So NREM sleep is also called as slow wave sleep. So of the total 7 to 8 hours of sleep, the 25% of sleep is REM sleep. And out of total sleep, 6 to 8 hours, 75% of sleep is the NREM sleep. So in the one sleep cycle, the first stage of sleep that occurs is NREM sleep. NREM sleep has 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. As I already said, it contributes about the 75% of sleep. So then comes the REM sleep, which is contributes about 25% of total sleep. So here is how it is classified. So first, when we sleep, we go into NREM sleep. Then as further sleep cycle proceeds, we go into REM sleep. So here is the again differentiation between NREM and REM sleep for you to understand. First of all, we will see NREM sleep. NREM sleep occurs first. Means NREM sleep has 4 stages: 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 stages will occur, then REM sleep will occur, and then one sleep cycle is completed. So what happens in NREM sleep? Heart rate decreases and blood pressure also decreases. Why? Because there is sympathetic inhibition. Sympathetic inhibition causes decrease in heart rate and blood pressure. Whereas in REM sleep, heart rate and blood pressure both increase. Why? There is sympathetic stimulation, so both of these will increase. So what about dreams? The dreams which we see in NREM sleeps are not memorized. Means when we wake up, we cannot recall or remember the dreams which we see in NREM sleep. Whereas in REM sleep, the dreams are well memorized. The dreams which we remember after we woke up in the morning are called as are present in REM sleep. It is very important point to differentiate between these two. So deep sleep, when we will say we have got into deep sleep, the deep sleep occurs in NREM stage 3 and stage 4. It is very important MCQ also. In REM sleep, the sleep is lightened. We have mild consciousness. The muscle tone is inhibited, as we have seen. There is sympathetic inhibition. The muscle tone is inhibited, thereby decreasing the muscle tone. Muscle tone in REM sleep is profoundly depressed as well, except at extraocular muscles that cause rapid eye movement. As we have seen, this is the REM sleep. Name itself suggests it is rapid eye movement sleep. So muscle tone is depressed except at extraocular muscles, due to which the rapid eye movement occurs. So NREM has 4 stages, as we have seen before: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. These 2 stages are called as deep sleep stages. Here we get into deep sleep in stage 3 and stage 4 of NREM. So what other points we will see in REM sleep? There is penile erection in this REM sleep stage in males. This is very important in diagnosing any impotence. So guys, this is all about today's video. In today's video we have discussed about the sleep, its 2 phases, and its definition. Hope you understand this topic. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.